Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to close your laptop and use an external monitor. In order to ensure that you are fully equipped to accomplish this task effectively, it's important to gather a few essential items beforehand. These items will serve as the foundation for your success in completing the task at hand. Here are some things that you will need: a laptop, an external monitor, cables/multi-port adapters. Make sure to check the ports on both your laptop and monitor to ensure you have the correct cables. Let us jump right into the video. The first thing you are going to do is select Settings. Then select System. The options that we need is under System. You can also type Display in the search section at the top and select Duplicate or Extended to a connected display. After completing the previous step, you'll see two options once the monitor is connected correctly. Choose the option corresponding to the monitor. In my case, it's option 2. Then scroll down to find the option to set it as the main display. Click inside the little box beside Make this my main display. My monitor is already set as main display, so I won't click in the box. My laptop screen is broken, so I made my monitor the main display. Once that is done, you can go ahead and close it. Once you have completed that step, go ahead and right-click on the battery icon at the right bottom corner of your screen, then select Power Options. Select the third option there, which is Choose what closing the lid does. Select Do Nothing under On Battery. Also select Do Nothing under Plugged in. Choosing Do Nothing for On Battery means the laptop will still run even if you disconnect it. Once you have done that, please go ahead and save the settings at the bottom. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up or smash that subscribe button.